Hi everybody, welcome to the next review. I tried to do a review of this just now but it came out wrong, so I'm doing another one. Hopefully this will come out right. My webcam does mess about a lot. It's quite annoying really, but it's the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the beginning box set. I'll get to the accessories first. It's a switchable head, and I think that's what he looks like before he tortures this person on this bench. He also came with a switchable arm, which is pretty good. There's the joint. Yes, he's ball jointed on his arms and his neck. So that's a pretty good accessory. Also came with a sledgehammer anvil. I'm not pretty happy with the paint mark here. It certainly doesn't go well. It's definitely shown that it's been painted. I most like my accessories to look as real as possible. This one's better. It's got no whining written on the sign. I think originally that was for the dogs, but now he's using it for the people he's torturing. Came with a cleaver. That's pretty good as well. I think the cleaver is one of the best accessories that he came with for detail. The head, which I just showed you, that is a bit scruffy. It looks nothing like him, I don't think, because he shows his face for a brief moment on the remake of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. There's a hook. A bench for all of his accessories, I think. It's quite long, and that's got good detail in it. Here's a wooden thing to put more accessories on. There's some scissors there, but they're not removable. It'd be good if they were more accessories. A tree stump with a sickle and a chisel on it, I think. Again, they're not removable. But now we'll get to Leatherface. He's got movability in the wrists and in the arms. His head is removable. His other arm is movable as well. It's quite stiff though. His waist isn't movable at all, but nice blood effect for his apron. His ankles also are not movable, or his legs. It's more of a model really. The articulation to these and the sideshow figures are no comparison at all. The sideshow figures are definitely better, but something that's disappointing, and I've just thought of, they didn't make a sideshow figure of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre at the beginning, but I'm hoping they will, because I think it will be amazing, completely brilliant. But the chainsaw isn't that good either. It's a bit stubby looking, and the width for a normal chainsaw is not that good. Yeah, so that's Leatherface. And let's take a look at his little friend here. He's quite good as well. There's his face, or what was his face. It looks like the camera's gone a bit fuzzy now. so I'll just put it down for a while. There we go. So now we can see it a bit better. And also it seems his arms are a bit skinned and that. So that's the figure really. So thanks for watching this review. My next review, I'm not sure what it'll be yet, but yeah, it's a pretty good figure. I do recommend it. The name of it is the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the beginning box set by NECA. I'm looking to get the single figure as well because it looks quite good, and they're both different because the single figure I think has a bit more articulation in it than this leather face. So yeah, we'll get down to it, hopefully, and that's the review. So thanks for watching.